Well, I think that we have different sectors in the broadband connectivity, whether it is if it is on the residential market or for mobility like in-flight connectivity. We have been deploying so far capacity in Americas, in Europe, in the Middle East, Africa, and over the Pacific. So we will continue to put more capacity. In 2019, we will deploy additional capacity over Europe and Africa to reinforce the available bandwidth there. And then last week we announced that in 2021 we will launch the first of a new generation of very high throughput satellites. On the television market, satellite continues to be the most efficient way to deliver a certain type of applications for television. The number of channels continue to grow on the fleet. We have exceeded the 6,800 channels recently, with about 18% of penetration of high definition television and 4K that is rolling out. So we expect this to continue, while at the same time we find alternative ways to deliver services for the new ways of consuming the television market. For example, we have Smart LNB that allows to provide OTT multi-device solution fed over the satellite, so you overcome all the problems of saturation of the internet connection, the CDN congestions, the buffering problems, etc. I think it's always difficult to figure out what is going to be the new applications, the new needs that will be coming in the coming years. For sure, what is important is that the teleports, they have evolved from being just antenna farms to be integrators of solutions, specialized in different applications and by regions. And this basically will continue to be the case. So they will need to adapt basically to the new technologies, integrate these new technologies, and then address the new needs of the customers. So I think that the concept of integration is important. For Eutelsat, the way we see the teleports is as partners. So actually, we developed a partnership program that we call Global Connectivity. This started some years ago, and right now I think we have reached a level of maturity of this program where we have more than 70 qualified partners all over the world, and we basically integrate all these capabilities to address different needs, different applications in different regions, so we can offer this as a full portfolio of solutions for our customers. Well, I think in general there are three basic elements that you always need to take into account. You need to look at all the evolutions, the challenges from the economical point of view. What is the impact in your business from that point of view? From the quality of service point of view, and from the security point of view. So I think that most of the challenges will come from the technological change, moving from hardware-based solutions to software-based solutions, to virtualization, to cloud, to big data, to AI, etc. We will need to adapt to that, but we will need to always take into account what is going to be the impact of these things in the service quality you deliver, in the security, and in the financial model of your business.